Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you the correct and simple steps to install FFmpeg on your Windows PC, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. So please don't miss any step. FFmpeg is a powerful tool for handling audio and video. First, let's check if it's installed on your system. Open the Start menu and type CMD in the search bar. Then press Enter to open the command prompt. Type FFmpeg-version and press Enter. If you see an error message, it means FFmpeg isn't installed yet. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to install it. First, open your web browser and search for FFmpeg. Then select the official website, ffmpeg.org. Click on the Download button and choose your operating system. I want to install it on Windows, so I'll select the Windows icon. Then select the option Windows Builds by BTBN, which provides the latest stable version for Windows. Now scroll down and select the file that says ffmpeg-master-win64-gpl.zip. If it's not visible on the first page, simply click on Show All 51 Assets. Then download the file. Next, wait until the download finishes. After the download is complete, press Ctrl-X to cut the file. Then go to My Files, open the C drive, and create a new folder called FMT. You can name it anything you like. Paste the file inside this folder. Then extract the zip file and delete the zipped file to save space. Open the bin folder inside the extracted files and copy all 3 files found inside it. Paste them into the main FFmpeg folder you just created. Finally, delete the remaining files and folders that are no longer needed. Now, copy the file path of this main FFmpeg folder. Next, let's add it to the system path. In the Windows search bar, type Environment Variables, or simply press the Windows key and select Edit the System Environment Variables. From the pop-up window, select the Advanced tab. Then click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find and double-click on Path. Next, click on New to add a new entry. Then, paste the file path you just copied into the new entry. After that, click OK, then OK again, and finally OK one more time to close all the windows. Now, open the command prompt again. Type ffmpeg-version and press Enter. This time, if everything was set up correctly, you'll see the version details of FFmpeg. That means the installation is complete and ready to use. And finally, please like and subscribe. It will motivate me to make more videos. Also, tell me in the comments if it works for you, because your feedback will help others too.